The emergency ambulance service responded to between 15 and 1,600 calls over the last month. Consultant head of the service, Dr. David Byer, confirms this was above average.
I'll say that 15 to 1,600 calls for December was a little bit of an anomaly because normally that really is usually in the region of 1,200 or so. So, with the holiday season, you have more incidents happening, both traumatic in terms of motor vehicle accidents as well as interpersonal violence, as well as you have more illnesses based on the non-chronic communicable diseases or so, diabetes, high blood pressure. So you find persons may have crises related to those illnesses and stuff a little bit more at the Christmas time, especially people may not take their medication, people indulge a little bit more, etc. And that bears out in the traffic that you get.
Dr. Byer was speaking as a new state-of-the-art vehicle was unveiled, bringing the number in the fleet to 10. It's expected to improve the ambulance service's ability to respond to calls in 2024. But he says staffing will also need to be increased, as currently there is only enough manpower to put about 5 or 6 ambulances on the road at any one time.
We have actually made the recommendation to have some more staff, and I think that is before the powers that be. So hopefully, if that is approved, we should be able to have more staff to be able to service the population.
And Minister in the Ministry of Health with responsibility for the QEH, Dr. Sonia Brown, is reminding members of the public the ambulances are for emergencies.
Oftentimes we have patients calling the ambulance service for what could be deemed not necessarily emergent, but luckily we have very well-trained staff. In association with the Barbados Community College, we are making sure that we are upgrading the staff continually, hoping to get new staff in as well. But this is just one of the first steps, or not the first. We have had other ambulances before, but this is another step towards patient care.
With an aging fleet of ambulances, some in service from 2014, officials have confirmed more have been ordered and are expected on island towards the end of the year. Sharika Griffith, CBC News.